Hello, this is your fire weather briefing for Thursday, July 20th. My name is Jeff Kitzmiller. I'm from the National Weather Service here in Missoula, Montana. Red flag warnings have been issued for today. We did actually add the East Lolo, so 108, into this red flag warning. It looks like our relative humidity will be a little bit drier than we were thinking yesterday, and the wind may be just a little bit stronger. So because of that, that puts 108 just in that dry enough and windy enough that we're pretty concerned about fire weather conditions. 110 and 111, the Beaverhead and Deer Lodge, continue to be in this red flag warning. And as you can see, there's a lot of dry air that's working its way into the region. Dew points this morning are already fairly low. Relative humidities on mid-slopes are already fairly low, so those will just continue to drop today. And we'll have these west winds 20 to 30 miles per hour. We may even see some gusts around 35 miles per hour in the Beaverhead Deer Lodge. Relative humidity values in the Beaverhead Deer Lodge will probably get pretty close to single digits, around 9%. The rest of the area will be somewhere in the 15% range. Here's a little more detailed map of where the red flag warnings exist. So pretty much all of Montana is covered except for northwest Montana. And then we don't have anything in Idaho, so the places that are not included are not quite as dry, and they don't have quite the same wind as we're expecting farther south. Here's an overview for this week. You can see that there was a short wave that's passing today, and that's really a lot of the reason why we're going to see this increased wind in response to that passing along the Canadian border. But then we get into a little bit more of somewhat of a ridge, really weak, almost zonal flow. So it keeps temperatures fairly close to normal, and actually tomorrow will be below normal. And then our relative humidities will be just a little bit higher than today, and wind not quite as gusty, even though there will be some increased afternoon winds. But one thing that we are looking for after we get through the weekend, because the pattern doesn't really change much until Monday and Tuesday, but another trough works its way down the west coast, and it looks like we'll probably bring up some monsoon moisture. So as we get into Monday afternoon and then again Tuesday afternoon, thunderstorm chances will increase. So the farther south that you are, the higher chance that you'll have. Most of these will end up being in the Beaverhead Deer Lodge. So we're looking at the potential for these thunderstorms. We might see some rain, but I mean a lot of lightning activity is possible as we get Monday afternoon, Tuesday afternoon. The 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook looks pretty dry. There is a little signature of some monsoon moisture down in the desert southwest, so some of this will probably be able to make its way up between the 25th and 29th. Otherwise, we're still below average. Even if we get some rain, it's pretty dry right now. And our temperature outlook is pretty much showing the entire area with at least a chance of being above normal for our temperatures. So not a lot of change than what we've been seeing lately with the hot and dry. Our next weather briefing will be on Sunday, July 23rd. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Our numbers are listed here, and I hope you have a great day.